No time for a big trip? These micro-adventures deliver epic thrills close to home. That grand dream of exploring distant continents often feels just that, a dream. Life gets in the way. Relentless work schedules, family commitments, looming budget constraints. We scrolled through breathtaking travel photos, filled with wanderlust, only to be hit with the harsh reality of soaring flight costs, hotel bills, and endless daily expenses. It genuinely seems like world travel is a luxury reserved for the wealthy, or at least those with incredibly deep pockets and limitless vacation days. But what if I told you the secret to feeling that thrill of discovery isn't actually about endless money or an open-ended schedule? What if you could unlock incredible adventures and truly immerse yourself in new experiences without draining your savings or even needing a week off work? Today, we're tearing down the persistent myth that travel has to be expensive or complicated. We're diving deep into the proven tactics and crucial mindset shifts that will empower you to explore amazing places on a budget. Turning those distant dreams into tangible itineraries you can implement almost immediately. Get ready to pack a small bag, because your personalized blueprint for budget-friendly, high-thrill travel starts right here, right now. The first and perhaps most crucial mindset shift is embracing flexibility as your ultimate superpower. Our traditional idea of travel usually involves rigidly fixed dates, popular destinations, and peak, most expensive tourist seasons. This approach is precisely where prices skyrocket for everything from flights to accommodation and activities. Instead, start thinking strategically about traveling during the shoulder season, those wonderful periods just before or immediately after peak tourist times. The weather is often still pleasant, but crowds are thinner and prices can drop significantly. Shifting your travel by just a few weeks can result in savings of hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Beyond timing, being genuinely open to alternative destinations also pays off enormously. Instead of always defaulting to the most famous city, take the time to research nearby towns or emerging spots that offer remarkably similar experiences at a mere fraction of the cost. The best deals and most authentic experiences often go to those willing to adapt their plans and venture slightly beyond the obvious. Once you've embraced flexibility, the next critical step is mastering the art of finding cheap flights and rethinking accommodation. Always use incognito or private browse mode when searching for flights, as websites track your interest. Make it a habit to set price alerts through platforms like Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Kayak to be notified when fares drop. Don't be afraid to consider budget airlines, but always read the fine print regarding baggage fees and other extras. Sometimes flying into a major hub and then taking a separate, cheaper regional flight or a bus to your final destination can save you hundreds. Consider red-eye flights or those with longer layovers. They are consistently cheaper. Finally, explore loyalty programs and credit card points. Strategically accumulating these can literally get you free flights or deeply discounted travel, making a massive dent in your overall budget. For accommodation, forget automatically booking expensive hotels. Hostels now offer clean, comfortable private rooms at a fraction of the cost. For longer stays, explore Airbnb or local vacation rentals, splitting costs with a group. But for truly unique, free experiences, dive into couchsurfing for authentic cultural exchange or house-sitting services for free stays in exchange for pet or property care. These diverse options offer substantial cost savings and deeper immersion. Eating well on a budget while traveling truly means eating like a local. This is a golden rule that will save you a fortune and enhance your experience. Actively skip those overpriced tourist traps. Instead, make it a habit to hit up local supermarkets or vibrant grocery stores to buy ingredients and prepare some of your own meals, especially if your accommodation provides a kitchen. This is consistently one of the biggest money savers. Embrace the incredibly diverse and often delicious world of street food markets. They offer authentic, flavorful, and unbelievably affordable meals. Observe carefully where the locals are queuing up to eat. That's almost always a reliable sign of both excellent quality and fair prices. Don't be shy about asking locals for their recommendations. They know the hidden culinary gems. Also a small but significant tip: packing reusable water bottles and opting for tap water, where it's safe to drink, will add up to substantial savings, drastically reducing both your daily expenses and your environmental impact. Finally, mastering local transportation and enthusiastically embracing free activities will truly unlock the full potential of your budget travel adventures. Public transportation systems like buses, trams, and subways are not only incredibly cost-effective, but also offer an authentic glimpse into the daily rhythm of local life. Make it your mission to embrace walking as much as humanly possible. It's completely free, wonderfully healthy, and allows you to serendipitously discover hidden alleys, charming local shops, and unexpected sights. Many major cities offer fantastic free walking tours that operate purely on a tip-based system. These are excellent for an insightful overview without a hefty upfront price tag. Actively seek out free museums or those with designated pay-what-you-wish days. Explore the beauty and tranquility of public parks, botanical gardens, and natural landmarks. These are often breathtakingly beautiful, offer fantastic photo opportunities, and are, crucially, completely free to enjoy. Look for free cultural events, vibrant local festivals, open-air concerts, or bustling farmers markets that don't charge an entry fee. These are frequently the most memorable, most authentic, most enriching experiences you can possibly have on your journey, connecting you directly with the heart and soul of a place without costing a dime. Remember, and this is crucial, budget travel is not, I repeat, not about deprivation or sacrificing quality experiences. Quite the opposite, in fact. It's fundamentally about making smart, intentional choices that relentlessly prioritize genuine experience and authentic immersion over unnecessary excess and inflated costs. It's about leveraging the incredible power of flexibility, embracing creativity in your planning, and tapping into invaluable local insights to stretch your dollar further, allowing you to travel more often for longer durations, and to an even wider array of incredibly diverse places around our magnificent world. It's about empowering you to fully define your own unique adventure, on your own terms, without ever feeling held back or limited by financial constraints. So if that travel bug is buzzing louder than ever, and the longing for adventure feels undeniable, take heart and know that the world in all its vastness and wonder is far more accessible than you might currently think. With these proven strategies firmly in your toolkit, you're not just saving money, you're building a powerful new skill set for life, transforming yourself into a savvier, more resourceful, and ultimately more fulfilled traveler who can truly explore the globe on your very own unburdened terms. Your next incredible adventure awaits, and rest assured, it absolutely does not have to break the bank. What's the very first immediate step you'll take towards making your next extraordinary journey a reality?